Good morning, everybody. Hello, I am at Walgreens and I'm here to share with you guys some deals this week. It's going to be a decent week. There's some great freebies. There's some really good deals. I'm going to try to share with you guys some IBOTTA deals. I actually have a deal where if I think I get 40 rebates, I'll get like a $10 bonus, and I need to hit that in like 10 days, which we will hit that. But anyways, let's go inside. I'm going to share with the deals. I walk through the store, show you guys deals that I may or may not do, but some deals that you might want to do, and then I come back and I show you guys my haul, any problems that I had, questions, comments, concerns. But yeah, let's go shopping and let's have fun saving some money. The got to be is $8.29. We have it on sale right now for 25% off, making it $6.22. There is a $2 off digital coupon in the Walgreens app that you'd want to use. You end up just paying $4.22, but then we have a $1.50 rebate with IBOTTA, making this just $2.72. So not the greatest deal, but if you need that product, it's a pretty decent deal. The Head & Shoulders this week is on sale for 2 for $12. Now we do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, or you can use a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. You'll end up just paying $9 for the both of them, but when you purchase 2, you will get a $4 register reward. Plus, you guys can actually submit your receipt to IBOTTA, where you'll get 50 cents back off of 2. Not much, but your final total comes out to be just $4.50 or $2.25 each. This is the shampoo my husband uses, so I like to get this deal. The soft soap deal is on sale for buy one get one 50% off. So we have some for $2.99, $3.49, and $2.49. But we also have a 75-cent off digital coupon, and then we also have a $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon. So you're going to want to use all 3 of those coupons. For the ones for $2.49, you'll use those 2 digital coupons. You'll pay $5.22, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 4, making it $1.22 or 30 cents. Or if we do the $2.99 one, you use those $2 off digital coupons, you would pay $6.72, but then you get that $4 register reward, making these just $2.72 or 68 cents. The soft soap is on sale for $5 along with the Irish Spring body wash. Now we do have $1 off insert coupons, plus we have a $1 off digital coupon that you can use. You'll end up just paying $8 for 2 of them. But you do get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2. Comes out to be just $4 or $2 each if you want to go ahead and do that deal. Here is the Burt's Bees Kids Toothpaste for $3.99. It is not on sale, but if you're like me and you don't like coupons going to waste, we do have a 4 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from our P&G that does expire soon. But you want to buy 2 of them. You use that coupon, you would pay $3.98. But then there is a deal with IBOTTA where you get $1 back. It is a limit of 5, so you can use this. It ends up becoming just $1.98 or 99 cents each for a kid's toothpaste, which is pretty decent deal. We're gonna buy 2 of the toothbrushes or toothpaste for $4. That is $4. And then we're gonna buy 2 of the toothbrushes or toothpaste. That is $4.99. Now these are 2 different deals. So what we have is we have a 6 off of 3 digital coupon. I also have a 6 off of 4, and I also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, but we're just gonna see if this one takes it at the register. And then I also have a $1 off insert coupon. You would end up just paying $10.98. But when you buy 2 of the $4 ones, you get a $4 register reward, and when you buy 2 of the $4.99 one, you get a $5 register reward. So these are 2 different deals. Your final price just comes out to be $1.98 or just 49 cents each. For toothbrushes, I think that's a great deal. We have the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll end up just paying $3.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards. And this is a deal that you can pay with points and get points back, but your final price comes out to be for free for 2 of them. The 100 grand is on sale this week for 99 cents. You want to buy 2 of them and you'll end up just paying $2.97. But we do have a deal with Swag Bucks where you get 50 Swag Bucks for buying 3 of them, which is 50 cents. And then we also get 25 cents back with IBOTTA with a limit of 5, so you get 75 cents back with IBOTTA. Your final price just comes out to be $1.72 or 57 cents each. The red vines are 2 for $3. You want to buy 2 of them, you'd pay $3 for this. But then there is a 75-cent rebate with a limit of 5. So you'll pay $3, you get $1.50 back with IBOTTA, making your final price $1.50 or just 75 cents each. We have the Persil, the bigger bottles, for $11.99. There is a $3 off digital coupon that you can use. You'll end up just paying $8.99, but then there is a, sorry, I lost my spot. There is a $1 IBOTTA deal, so your final price for this just comes out to be $7.99 for 100 fluid ounces. We have Snuggle laundry detergent or fabric softener for $3.99. There is no digital coupon that I could find, but there is a $1.50 rebate for the fabric softener, and then we also have it for the sheets. So your final price for this would be just $2.49. Purex laundry detergent is $7.99. It is currently buy one get one free. So you pay $7.99, but then when you buy 2 of them, you get a $1 cash rewards, making it $6.99 or $3.49 each for this one. Otherwise, the pods are $6.99, and then we also have the shakers, which I saw them and I can't find them anymore, but those would be a little bit cheaper too. If you guys need some bumblebee tuna, they are 99 cents. We do have a 25-cent rebate with IBOTTA, making your final price for bumblebee tuna 74 cents. We do have the Scott's toilet paper for just $5. There is a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet if you guys don't have that booklet, or you can clip it to your app. But then we also have a $1 off manufacturer coupon that you can use. So you will get this for just $2.75, which is a great deal. We have the Captain Crunch cereal for $2.49 and the Life cereal for $2.49. Now we do have a coupon for $1 off of 2 that we did get in our inserts. You would just get 2 boxes of cereal for just $3.98 or $1.99 each. Hi everybody, happy Mother's Day. If you guys are a mother or you're becoming a mother very soon, happy Mother's Day. But let's just dig in and share with you guys the deals I got at Walgreens. Now I did have a couple hiccups, which is totally fine. There's a girl like just running right past me and smiling at me. It's like, okay then. But anyways, let's just dig in and share with you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, it wasn't as hot as it was last week, which is totally fine, but I did get some IBOTTA rebates. So I ended up getting the bigger sizes of soap because I have a ton of the smaller ones, and these turned out to be a very good deal. My 75-cent coupon did not come off, but these were $2.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. There is a 75-cent off digital coupon and a $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon. When I was talking to the employee about it, she had a 75 and then she also had an 85, so it counts vary. But anyways, you would pay $6.72 for both of these. You get a $4 register reward. Usually it's cash, but this time you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. Purchase 4 of them. So it comes out to be just $2.72 or 68 cents each, which I think is a pretty good deal for the bottles of soap. Now I also got a candy bar. I got the 100 grand candy bars. These were 99 cents on sale. You want to buy 3 of them, you would pay $2.97, but then there is a 25-cent rebate with IBOTTA times 3, and then there is a 50-cent rebate with Swag Bucks. So you guys would just get these for $1.72 or 57 cents each. I totally forgot to factor this in my total when I did my grand total, but that is okay. So I ended up getting 2. There was this one guy at Walgreens today who was hilarious. He was buying stuff for his wife. He's like, my wife said I didn't want anything, and he came. It was hilarious. It's funny watching people buy stuff on the day of Mother's Day. It's like, this is normal. It's normal. But anyways, I got Oral-B. Now these were $4.99 and these were $4 each. I had a 5 or 6 off of 3 digital coupon, and then I had a $1 off insert coupon. So you want to buy these 4 items. You want to use those 2 digital coupons, or the coupon and the physical coupon. You would pay $10.98, but then you get a $5 register reward for the $4.99 toothbrush deal, and then you get a $4 off register reward when you buy the other 2. So these come out to be just $1.98 or 49 cents each, which I think for 49 cents for a 2-pack of toothbrushes, I think that is a great deal. I ended up getting some Head and Shoulders because my husband likes this, and I don't get to stock up on it as much as I want to, so when I get a chance, I'll definitely take advantage of it. But these were 2 for $12. We had a 3 off of 2 either insert coupon or digital coupon. You would pay $9 for both of these, but then you get a 50-cent off of 2 rebate with IBOTTA. And you also get a $4 register reward. Comes out to be $4.50 or $2.25. Now, it might not be the best deal, but I did this because I needed this stuff, so I ended up going that way. I got some Bumblebee tuna. Bumblebee tuna. 99 cents, you guys. 99 cents for some Bumblebee tuna. But then there is a 25-cent rebate with IBOTTA, making this just 74 cents. And I have been actually craving some Bumblebee tuna sandwiches, so Bumblebee tuna. Sorry, you guys. If you know me, I absolutely love movies, and I'm constantly quoting movies because I absolutely love movies. But we ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. These were $3.99. Now, I was scanning the $2.99 stuff, but there was no digital coupons that were popping up for it. Now, we did get some $1 off printable coupons, but it would still come out to be 99 cents a box, so I'm like, no, we're not doing that. But anyways, I got these for $3.99. There is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would end up paying $3.98. There's a fire truck going by. $3.98. But then you get $4 cash rewards when you purchase this deal. These come out to be both for free. And bam, there's an ambulance. Yes. Okay, I got the kids Burt's Bees toothpaste. Now these were $3.99 regular price. I had a $4 off insert coupon that you'd pay, so you'd pay $3.98 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate with IBOTTA, so these come out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So I feel like kids toothpaste we don't get super cheap, but I had to go ahead and do that deal because of that. And then I ended up getting the soft soap and the Irish Spring, and that was the last one I got. So these were $5 each. I used 2 $1 off insert coupons, or I used 1 paper and 1 digital, but you would pay $8 for the 2 of these, and then you get a $4 register reward for purchasing those 2. It comes out to be just $4 or $2 each. So we got that. My total came out to be just $35.86. I ended up receiving $21 worth of register rewards. That is for the Irish Springs, the Oral-B, the 2 Oral-B deals, the Head and Shoulders, and the soft soap deal is what I got. Then I ended up getting $9.35 worth of points. I got it for the, I had a $5 booster, and then I also had the $4 off cash rewards for the Colgate. So, sorry, I'm just trying to figure out my math right here. So I got that, and then I also got $3.25 back with IBOTTA for the Burt's Bees, the Head and Shoulders, and then I also got it for the 100 grand. And then I forgot to mention that I got 50 cents back with swag bucks. So my grand total came to be $1.76. I got 21 items at just 8 cents each. I will take it. 8 cents for everything. I will take it. It's been a pretty great couponing day. Just be prepared on a couple things here and there, but I hope you guys have a nice, awesome Walgreens haul. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and again, happy Mother's Day if you guys are watching today. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.